Colombia has the largest number of bird species in the world. It also has the largest number of hummingbird species in the world. This casual bird photography trip captured 46 species of hummingbirds. White-necked Jacobin, rufous-breasted hermit, white-whiskered hermit, green hermit, tawny-bellied hermit, white-throated daggerbill, sparkling violator, brown violator, lesser violator, black-throated mango, tourmaline sunangle, green thorntail, speckled hummingbird, long-tailed sylph, violet-tailed sylph, purple-backed thornbill, rainbow-bearded thornbill, buffy helmet crest, Tyrian metaltail, Viridian metaltail, greenish puffleg, golden-breasted puffleg, shining sunbeam, bronzy Inca, brown Inca, collared Inca, buff-winged starfrontlet, mountain velvet priest, sword-billed hummingbird, great sapphire wing, buff-tailed coronet, velvet purple coronet, white-booted racket-tail, rufous-gaped hillstar, purple-bibbed whiteup, fawn-breasted brilliant, green-crowned brilliant, empress brilliant, white-bellied woodstar, purple-throated woodstar, western emerald, white-vented plumelatier, crownwood nymph, steely-vented hummingbird, rufous-tailed hummingbird, Andean emerald. Thanks for watching.